Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder. Welcome back. Yes, R2-D2. We're going on with that. I've got 5 more stages to do, and then I've got no more R2-D2s for this month. But you'll find out that we'll be getting a lot more. So let's have a look at them. I've got stage 24 ready for me. Let's have a look at that magazine. The Star Wars stage. Yeah, that must have been a production. Unbelievable. There is some great history in here. And a little bit of automation that is really nice. And then great right wheel parts and fixing screws. So let's have a quick look at that, because that's all there is. This is a little bit of a rubbery kind of material because you can push it a little bit further. So we put those in. Now let's see what kind of screws we put in. I think the longer ones. Let's put them in. I need to get the thinner screw head, and on this side as well. So we're going crossed from one side to the other, and not just 1, 2, 3. And that is what we do in the first stage. No more to do. Stage 24 done, so we're going straight to 25. There we go. If you hear large bangs and things like that, it's there's a lot of fireworks going off illegally, but youngsters and teens are putting that out. IGRM series security droids. And some more service robots. I wouldn't mind having a service robot in the house that does my cooking. Frame components, and as always we're doing one frame and that's it. So let's get it out. Let's get the droid out, or at least the head of the droid. And we're putting that panel on, as you can see right there. And let's see where we put that. There's only one place to put that, and that's this one. And then with those, there's a pinhole and a screw hole. So let's get to, I always wanted to say 2 droids out, but that would be nice. Screwing droid. And I do mean to screw in, and not something else. A droid to put the screws in for you. You can't see me do that, but believe you, I am doing it. Let's put that screw on first, then put that nut in and turn it around. Alright, and let's put that back again. As you can see right there, right next to my T. And that's all we do in this stage, in 24, 5, 26. As you can see right there. We're doing fine, 9 minutes. The ultimate scene. Look, I am your father. Imperial Astromech. Sorry. Artificial animals. One of the first things they did. Here we go. We're going on with that wheel mounting axle and bearing. And as you can see, just the 2 pages of work to do. And 1, 2, 3, 3 parts. Is that correct? 3 parts, indeed. And let's get that one out, because we'll be needing it. And we're putting it on like so, as you can see right in the top camera. And we're putting into 4 millimeters. Let's see if this is good enough. I think this is 4 millimeters. A little bit of oil. That looks good. These are the shorter of the silver screws. Not the, don't know what the other ones are, but sometimes they put the millimeters in, then sometimes they say short, and sometimes they say the long. I don't get it. This could have been done so much easier for us and for them by just giving them a code of some sort. Just calling them R to 1 to 10 or whatever, because there's not a lot of different screws in this one. There you go. Then we turn around, we get that bearing out and push it in. Then get that one out. And that is that stage done. As you saw me firstly put that one in, and then pushing that into the bearing that we have underneath. Does it need to be oiled a bit? No, I don't think so. It's greased up enough. And that's another stage done. Let's put that away and see what we have in 27. As you can see right there, we're going on with building inside Star Wars and Droid Directory. Ooh, Dagobah system. That was something to be built. My goodness, have a look at that. And some more droids. Even from the cartoon series. Batteries, sodium ion. A Tesla Gigafactory with a lot of solar panels to get the system going. That's it, and this is what we're building. We're getting something out that looks like that. All right, let's have a look at what we're doing here. We're putting that on like so, but the other way around. Yep. I think we use the black screws to put them in. So the black 4mm self-tapping ones, and we just screw this in with that wire in there, and this is what we should have. I put a peel on that side again to keep that neat in there. So let's put that away, get 28 out, and see what we do in that last stage. All right, here we go. Stage issue 28, as you can see right there. Filming the Dagobah. And some more case studies. Swarm robots, as you know, the Sparrows do this. They are very good in, well, it's a cloud that moves like unbelievably beautiful to see how it moves. Here we go, wheel bearing and mounting plates. As you saw, we put that together. You may already have, we did. So we're taking that one out. Sorry, we're taking this one out first. There we go. We've put that already together from the last time. This is what we're going to put on. And after that, have a look at those pins that are there, and they are going on to this plate. And then we can put 4 screws in. They are the silver 4mm ones. Are they the thicker ones? No, I think they're the thinner ones. That's good. All right, that's stage 28 done as well, and that's all I have in this pack. Well, thank you very much again for watching this video. As you see, this is coming together quite fine. We've got 1, 2, 3 layers now of the head put together. We've got a large piece of one leg together, and that is rolling neatly. And I haven't got any more of the R2D to build, but thank you very much for joining me again. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me next time when I do some more building. Any of those maybe, or this one, or any of those on that you see on my channel. Please have a look at them, and hope to see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.